fact that we're getting a very, to say the least, narrow view of what
This is a test of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has replaced the emergency broadcast system. During an emergency, this system will be used to provide information that will be vital to your safety. The emergency alert system may be used during hazardous material incidents, 911 system failures, floods, wildland fires, earthquakes, or other emergencies. Many radio and television stations in Orange County are participating in the distribution of emergency information using the emergency alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The periphery of the city, the perimeter of the city, as if it would be a wall of